All right, who's got all the stuff?
Me and Philip.
Okay. How many are on you?
Just one.
Pick up Brad.
Oh, yeah, you'll get away.
Whatever, Frank. You know, you've been running from me, dog.
I'm sorry?
Been running from me, dog.
Okay. So quit chasing me if you're tired.
Over, Frank.
Are you tired?
No,
Are you tired?
No.
I mean, if you're tired, you could just call your dogs off and then we'll just go about our day.
No, I want you, dog.
You want me for what?
For jewelry robbery.
For what?
On my way back to his little souls. In jail.
Negative, sir. You'd have to catch me
You just
first.
have the one on you. How so?
The other two are a little behind us.
No!
Frank, are you good or are you still in chase?
I still got two. I got Jacob and now Charlie joined in.
I can wait there for you.
Hi, Charlie. How are you? Oh, Charlie's kind of mad at me.
5,000.
Why? Why?
Frank,
Yeah.
step off the bike.
What the hell are you doing, Frank?
Jacob Brown said I was under arrest, so I was running.
You are
Oh,
right.
okay.
What am I under arrest for?
For a jewelry robbery, sir.
Oh.
You and your purple dang is doing, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what. No, I don't know what you're saying. Allegedly. Where you going, Charlie?
Get off the bike, Frank.
Why?
Get off the bike, Frank.
We're in the middle of the
Frank.
road. I don't want to get off the bike.
Frank.
Free Weezy.
Hello?
Oh, and
Hey.
Frank and Free Weezy. That is more additions at the LSPD.
Hey, let my son go right now, dude.
Right.
Let him go right now.
Hey, Fred, best thing to do.
Jacob Brown? Jacob Brown,
Jacob.
let my son go right now, dude.
Wow. What is
Oh
going
my
on?
god, dude. Oh
Oh,
my
yeah,
god.
Holy cow, what is going on? There's so many of
Dude, I
them.
was just coming in to check in on my son. God dang, you guys are coming out the woodworks.
Come on.
Oh my
There's another one behind
dude.
us? Like, what is going
Oh
on?
my god.
Come on, Frank.
What is going on
Come on,
here?
Frank.
Negative, sir.
What's the hold up, dude?
Where's Tim at? Let Tim go.
Nope.
Let Tim go right now, dude.
Come on, Frank.
Let him go right now. Oh, there's Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Charlie,
Frank.
let Tim go.
Yeah,
Frank, step out right now.
I'm not getting out.
Frank, I will tase you out.
You're
got
not
30
gonna tase
seconds
me
I'll
out.
tase you out.
There's no broken windows. How are you gonna tase him out?
Hey,
Man, you think I'm good for a parasite, wait.
Oh my Lanta.
you break this window out here.
Y'all gotten yourselves in a hell of a mess right here.
That is a little crazy.
What is every single cop?
Whoa, yeah, what are you hitting
Man,
this
I'm
car
bust
for?
this window.
Every
out.
cop in the city is in this.
Hey,
is
what are
in
you
this-
doing?
Bust the window out.
No, sir. No, sir. Oh, yeah, take that big dummy.
I think that was Mark. Oh, is that guy on the road?
There's an officer at Benny's getting repaired.
Oh, what the hell was that?
Wait, Charger?
Yeah, dude.
What was that?
Get out, Frank. Get out, Frank. Go, Frank.
Get out the car, Frank.
I got dash, but if you ever need me, I got my car. I'm all good.
We're on foot. We hit it. We hit something in the road and exploded.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell we hit, but we hit something and our car went flying.
Yeah.
No, Charlie, get up.
Sir,
Get up,
Frank,
Frank. Get up, Frank.
Get red, Frank!
Oh, that's a dead end. Philip,
Cop is like the fastest cop in the world, dude.
Frank, run!
You won't get the stick, Frank.
no, I'm not.
You won't get the stick,
Mark
Frank.
Jenkins,
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna give you the stick, old
No.
boy. Here I come.
No, you're
The
not.
stick
You're not.
destiny
You're not
is
fast
about to meet
enough.
Frank Gallagher's head.
Frank, I got handcuffs.
Calvin, you're
You
not.
better be ready.
You're not fast enough. Come on, Calvin. You're
I'll
not
meet you on
fast
the other
enough.
side. Shoot, Mark,
I
man.
swear to fuck, I will run you over.
Cup. Oh, are you dead? Are you stuck?
Hi, Charlie.
Hi. Is that Philip Bean?
No.
I don't know who that was. Some random person.
Such a good plan, too.
Frank Gallagher in custody. Who's primary?